You keep deleting your apps and your favorite photos, but your phone keeps flashing that annoying "storage full" warning. That is because Android developers intentionally hide massive folders of junk files on your device that you cannot see in your normal settings. I just cleared 23 gigabytes of dead files without deleting a single actual photo, video, or app. Welcome back to the Software Navigator. I'm Tony. Today we're going to dig into your hidden file system and rip out the garbage bleeding your storage dry. Let's get your space back. Before we go deep, we have to empty the trap that almost everyone falls for. When you hit delete on a video, it isn't actually gone. Android hoards it in an invisible digital trash bin for a full 30 days, eating up your storage the entire time. If you use Google Photos, open the app, tap Collections at the bottom, and hit Trash. If you are on a Samsung, open your default gallery, hit the menu, and go to Trash. Nuke everything in that folder right now. You just got back a few gigabytes instantly. Next, let's tackle the website hoarding. Every single site you visit downloads background cache files that sit on your drive forever. Open Google Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right, and go to Settings. Scroll down to Site Settings. Then click Data Stored at the very bottom. Hit Delete All Data. Fair warning, this will log you out of a few websites, but it will instantly flush out years of bloated tracking scripts and cached images that are bogging down your browser. We are about to dive into the deep file system to find the real hidden garbage. But real quick, if you are serious about taking total control of your device, I put together a completely free Mobile Shield guide. It is a zero BS checklist of every hidden privacy, security, and performance setting you need to tweak on your smartphone today. Grab that free download from the link at the top of the description so your phone doesn't work against you. All right, let's expose the developer files. Your standard Android settings will not show you these next folders. Go to the Google Play Store and download a free app called CX File Explorer. I use this specifically because it easily bypasses Android's default file blocks. Open the app, tap the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, and turn on the toggle for Show Hidden Files, or Show System Storage. Now, tap on your main storage. Go to the search bar and type the word Thumbnails. Here is the developer secret. Every single time you scroll through your gallery or your apps, Android creates a microscopic hidden duplicate of your photos and icons to load them faster next time. Over the years, this hidden .thumbnails folder swells to massive sizes. These are not your original photos. They are temporary, useless garbage. Open the folders labeled Apps and Local, select every single file inside, and hit Delete. Your original, high-quality photos in your gallery are perfectly safe, but your phone just dropped gigabytes of dead weight and will suddenly run significantly faster. You just successfully deep cleaned your entire operating system. Drop a comment below and let me know exactly how many gigabytes you recovered. But listen, having a blazing fast phone with tons of extra space means absolutely nothing if your kids are borrowing your device and accidentally stumbling into the dark corners of the internet. Click the video on your screen right now titled 95% of parents miss this hidden Android privacy setting to block all adult content. I am going to show you the exact DNS loophole you need to close right now to sanitize your phone's network and protect your family from explicit sites. Click right there to lock down your network, make sure you are subscribed to the Software Navigator, and I'll see you over in that video.